Hey everybody, how's it going? First off, sure can tell that it's fall. I'm gonna get some leaves up. Big old oak tree there. So, alright, we haven't really got far on this. Haven't got to mess with it too much. Been pretty busy, went on call with work, and we had a bunch of rain for a while, and you know, that's part of life. This project's gonna be slow going, but I'm doing as much as I can. So, here we are. Now, talk to my dad. I am going to pull this intake off, and we'll be able to get the motor out a lot easier that way. So, got some work to do. Need to pull the intake off there. Then on the 64 here, need to get that header off. And if I do got a bolt, I couldn't get the bolts in, so if I do have a bolt and those motor mounts on either side, I need to get them off. And when I need to get the distributor off, I see. And when I get ready to pull this out, I need to jack the transmission up so the little bolt that goes through the transmission can come out. So that's what I'm going to do there. That actually might be on this one, I'm sorry. The transmission bolt. So, got a little bit of work to do, but man, this is going to be easy work here. So get that done. I need to get the little special tools to get them fuel lines there off. Press in there. And I'm on a short stretch with that, so I'm going to try to do what I can about getting this intake off and see what we have from there. Alright everybody, so as you can see, we got the intake off there. Cut the camera off because the battery was kind of running dead on it. But I wanted to keep you guys a little posted on this. Need to get the shop vac out here and start vacuuming all that stuff out before we drop too much stuff in the motor. Taking that intake off was way more to it than I thought, but not complicated at all. Pretty self-explanatory, just a lot of little, you know, plugs and wires and stuff you had to get out the way. So finally got all them, and I'm new to all this new stuff. Anything new really. I mean, that's pretty much all I've ever worked on is older stuff like that. So I wasn't sure on certain plugs and how you unplug them and everything, so I had to check them out and learn them. But got it figured out. Got the intake off. Trying to get all the wires that I can see. There's a loom of wires running on the oil pan there that's connected to the oil pan. I've got a few wires that's going down to the transmission somewhere. Got some more stuff to unhook, but that's gonna make it way easier to pull out now. So I'm excited about that. So we're gonna get this motor out here soon. Once I get all that stuff, then I'll work on getting that motor out. Then we'll pull this motor over there into the shop, and we're going to see what we're going to do with it. I'm going to figure out what my plan of attack is and what I'm going to do. This is going to be a long project because I don't have the funds to do it all at once, and I want to do it a certain way. So I'm going to put this motor in there. As far as how we're going to run it, wiring harness wise, I'm not sure yet. I was going to, you know, get this spliced up and run it, but there's other routes that I might want to go. Of course, we got all the traffic in the world today. So, yeah, we're going to figure that out. But just want to keep you guys posted what I'm doing and everything, since some of you guys actually like to keep up with it. See, this next car that's coming by. That's one of the cars that just went by. I'll tell you what, they must know I'm trying to record. But I appreciate you guys for watching this stuff. You know, I like sharing it with you guys, and really a lot of this is I like the fact that my little boy is going to be able to sit back and watch these videos one day. He gets to see quite a bit of videos from his papa, so I like to have someone here for him to see one day too. So gonna get this knocked out, and we'll get that knocked out and be good to go. So I don't know if too many of you guys care too much about this, but I figure I'd share. So me and my little boy like to go riding on the four-wheeler. That's his thing. I've had this four-wheeler since he was just a few months old, and he's been riding on it since he was just a few months old. So had an axle go out. I'm pretty sure it was the culprit, but when it went out, it caused some other damage because we did continue riding that night. So axle went out, messed up the wheel bearing. Well, the wheel bearing is inside the knuckle, pressed in, of course, and it's not a seal bearing. It is it's got, you know, 2 seals on each side. Well, on the inside of the knuckle, we kept riding. Probably shouldn't have, but we kept riding and everything, and the axle wallowed out the inside of the knuckle to where the lip that holds the inside seal on it's not there anymore. So had to get a new knuckle for this thing. That was costly, but you gotta pay to play, I guess. Didn't really care to do it. You know, I don't mind. I don't really ride it that much by myself, but it's something he likes to do. It's something we do together, and if we do it together, has anything to do with my little boy, then you know, we're gonna make it happen. So we're gonna get this fixed too. I might make a little bit of video of that, putting that back together, just show you guys. But anyways, I appreciate y'all for watching. I know this is a short little video and didn't really do much again, but I'm telling you, I promise, the good stuff's coming. Just slow and steady. Also, have some other stuff to share with you guys. You see, this engine here is a little dirty. I got some stuff I'm gonna clean it with. We'll see how that does. So, you guys stay tuned, and again, thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more.